In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn a Figma design into a fully working UI using SquareLine Vision, and how you can export and build that application with just a few clicks. In this Figma project, we have multiple widgets arranged into layouts, each with complex styles and detailed visual components. Turning a design like this into a functional app can be challenging on any platform. But what if you could turn your Figma design into a working UI almost instantly? With the SquareLine Vision Figma plugin, that's exactly what you get. The tool handles not just basic shapes like rectangles, containers, images, and text labels, but also advanced styling such as shadows, borders, outlines, gradients, or entire arrangement configurations, and fully transfers the complete Figma auto-layout settings with all of its parameters as well. Let's examine this in action. First, set up a fresh project in SquareLine Vision. We'll opt for an SDL type, enabling simple compilation of a running app from tools like CMD, Eclipse, or VS Code. Notice that the Assets panel shows only the two standard fonts, with nothing else, and the font section remains blank, indicating no custom typefaces have been produced yet. Launch the SquareLine Vision plugin within Figma and highlight the items you wish to move over to Vision. Once selected, simply hit the Copy button in the plugin interface, which copies those components to your clipboard. Next, in Vision, use the Paste Keyboard command, and it will automatically generate the assets, fonts, screens, and widgets. You can even handle several screens simultaneously. Vision recreates every detected widget, complete with its settings and appearances, whether it's a roller, slider widget, text area, switch, or any styling attributes. How does it transform into a functional app at the push of a button? The SquareLine Vision Figma plugin identifies widgets and their components by analyzing the structure's hierarchy, resulting in a UI imported into Vision that's already populated with fully operational, customized widgets. You can import individual hierarchy parts or whole screens without any issues. You can test the interactive UI in Vision right away with one click. Just tap the play icon in the toolbar to evaluate the dynamic UI. In the editor, the widget's functionality can be tested instantly without building, and any screen can be launched immediately. Now, let's explore the steps to turn this into a desktop executable. Export the sample project to obtain a full VS Code setup, including the UI files. Load the outputted folder in VS Code, initiate the build process, and once compilation finishes, activate the Run option to launch and experiment with it. As evident, the workflow is remarkably efficient. Using the SquareLine Vision Figma plugin, you can accelerate your development cycle significantly. Give it a go and tell us about your results on our Discord channel, plus like this video and subscribe to our YouTube if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.